Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing another video, and I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for 40 subscribers. It's just crazy, and yeah, it's just crazy how we have 40 subscribers, and yeah, but I was really working on this yesterday. I was up to like 1 o'clock in the morning on a live chat, and it's just pretty crazy. I was on a live chat last night, and just talking to people saying please subscribe, and sorry I'm getting stuff ready right now, and yeah, so you know what I'm gonna be making today, and it's gonna be slime, and we're gonna be doing the smoothie challenge. And the smoothie challenge is that we mix slime, and yeah, but since I only have one slime, and I mixed, actually this was a smoothie challenge because I could have a lot of little slimes, and this was a smoothie challenge, but I'm going to be making another slime. If you don't know, I showed you the pink one. It's in here. I made like 6 more with only 2 glues. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make 2 slimes with only 1 glue, because I know you guys like slime, and when your glue finishes you're going to buy more, but somebody in your family says no, so you want to go get more. So what you do is not really hard at all, and today I'll be right back. I'm going to be making fluffy slime, and I'm going to use the gel one. I think it is a gel, hopefully. I think it is a gel, and if it is not, which is amazing, because I do not really want just looking for my food coloring. So, I only found 1 food coloring, but it's okay. But let me show you how to make it. Wow, nobody. Oh yeah, it is foam. Yay. Okay. So it's pretty easy. I'm not gonna lie, it's really easy. All you have to do is do half of the container, and so I know some of you guys like big slimes, so I might not do a big slime today, but I will be making a lot of slime. Shaving cream and the Staflo. Okay, I'm just gonna be doing a little bit at a time, guys. Actually, I should just put a few drops of yellow if you don't know. Oh wait, it might be red. It's okay. So they're gonna do a few drops of red slime. I know you might think I put a little bit, but that's not all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put in way more than this, but starting to get there, and put some more red in here. maybe I can make a bubblegum slime.
Oh.
Making fluffy slime.
Where are the toothpicks?
Who knows? It's getting there. It's not like so like, but it's getting there somehow. Just gonna get there just some way. It's gonna get there some way. I feel like I'm just putting my fingers in shaving cream. And I'm not gonna put so much Staflo because though it doesn't turn out good. So it turns out bad. Oh dang it! Hate when this happens, and it's okay though. Maybe a little bit more shaving cream, maybe not shaving cream, a little more Staflo. And if you don't have Staflo, then I don't know any more ways to make slime. Maybe some borax glue, definitely glue. Borax glue. I'm not sure actually. Like, it's the only way I make slime. Because, if you look at all my videos from the first time I made slime to the last time I made slime, which is never, but whatever, is that, like, oh god, guys, this is not a big slime. Oh, wait, it is pretty big. I'm not gonna lie. Oh god, actually, this is one of my, not my best slimes, but whatever. It's pretty good. I like this. I never made fluffy slime. Well, in my videos, I do make fluffy slime. It just doesn't turn out fluffy. So I like this. Actually, I'm a little sad that I'm gonna mix it, and I'm probably thinking, "Why? If you're sad, then why are you gonna mix it?" Some of you might probably not thinking that, but if you are thinking it, then I'll tell you why. It's because I just want to entertain you guys. Here we go again. Okay, so it's sticking, but it's okay.
Hey. Okay.
It might look pink, but it's not at all. And it's not stretchy. I have to put like all my force for it to like stretch a little bit. Trying to make it sticky. That's not working. Okay, it's okay. I'm just gonna rub my hands. Oh my god. Oh, I know why he's barking. He's playing. Hopefully. I'm pretty sad that I have to mix it. Maybe the next slime I'll mix it and not this one. Because I like this one. This is like a bubble gum. Oh, it's a little hard. Maybe put a little more glue in it. My slime is falling on the floor. Okay. Got all of it up. It's just falling on the floor. So this is fluffy slime. A lot of fluffy slime. And I love fluffy slime. It's just I never made it, so it's just like what the fluffy. I'm not sure what fluffy slime feels like.